Hello friends, welcome to Mini Chutneys. Today I am going to share with you all the recipe of Moong Dal Matris, a perfect evening snack for the monsoon season. So without wasting any time, let's go into the recipe. So let's start the recipe. For this I am taking a wide mouthed dish, and in this I am taking 1 cup all purpose flour or maida. To this 1 cup maida I will be adding 1/4 cup of moong dal. Then here goes the crushed green chili. 1 green chili will be enough for this quantity of maida. 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger and half teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients properly. Now I am sharing you the first tip. Anything which we make from maida like samosa, matris or kachoris or khastas. So before kneading into a dough, we have to first knead with hot oil. This method is called short crust method. This is hot oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Pour the hot oil and then wait for some time. With the help of spoon, mix it properly. It will cool down in few minutes. Once it is cool, then we will knead the dough. See, after it is cooled to a moderate level, with the help of hand mix properly so that the oil gets mixed with the maida. If you want to check whether it is not mixed properly or not, see, do like this, it is holding shape. So perfect. Now we have to knead the maida dough with the help of lukewarm water. So I have taken the lukewarm water. Take in small amounts and knead a soft dough by properly mixing. Like this. Then again add small amount of water. The dough is ready. Now tuck the dough properly so that it may not dry out. Apply oil on the outer surface. Like this, and let it sit for half an hour. Keep it aside or cover it with a lid and let it sit for half an hour. I am covering with a small bowl and let the dough rest for half an hour. After half an hour, we can see the dough has properly rested. Now it has become soft. Once again, knead the dough and take a small ball size dough, roll it properly like this. Now with the help of a rolling pin and a roller, we will make flat chapatis. Dust with maida. Roll into flat chapatis like this. Don't make it too thin. After rolling into a thin chapati, don't go with the shape. We will have our own shape for the matris. With the help of a fork, pierce the entire chapati like this to get the crispier matris. After piercing with the fork, now here I am taking a round small cup with sharp edges to give the matris round circular shape. With the help of this cup, we will just gently press so that we can get the matris of round shape. The shape is up to you. If you want any other shape, rectangular, triangular, whatever, the cutter is available. You can go with that shape. Here I am using the round cup to get the circular shape. So here with the one small ball size dough, I got 4 matris. Here I am sharing an important tip. For the items made with maida, don't go for immediate frying after making the shapes. Keep it in a plate for at least 15 minutes at normal room temperature for air drying. To get the more crispier matris, we will keep under the room temperature for only 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we will go for frying. So friends, I have made these matris. So you can see these are the first pair of matris. They are completely air dried. Now this is the perfect time to fry these matris. I am taking one by one and dropping them in the hot oil. We have to fry the matris until they attain golden brown color, and the flame should be medium. Now the matris have attained a golden brown color. We will take it off and follow the same process with the remaining matris. They can be stored up to 15 days when stored in an airtight container. To double the flavor, the hot tea is also ready. The best combination for the matris. So friends, matris with hot tea is ready. If you liked my recipe, please hit a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.